Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you Tiimo, a visual planning and scheduling tool that helps you organize tasks, routines and daily plans easily. Tiimo works on desktop via web and also on iPhone, iPad and Apple Watch, so your schedule stays synced no matter the device. To start, open Tiimo web in your browser or install the app, then log in and you can begin by dumping all your tasks or ideas into the to-do list. Tiimo's AI co-planner can turn messy lists into clear schedules, estimate time for each task and build a visual timeline for your day or week. You can drag and drop tasks to adjust when things happen or reorder them easily on the web version to suit your plans and avoid conflicts. Tiimo also offers widgets or watch support, so you can quickly check what's next and stay on track without opening the app all the time. If you want to build good habits, manage busy days, or just keep organized, Tiimo makes planning visual, simple and flexible. Thanks for watching. If you like this overview, please like and subscribe for more app reviews and productivity tips.